advice for this 326 newly donned police officers ay paalagaan nila yung reputation. The reputation is not hindi hinihingi, but it is earned. It is earned through years of experience and service. No? Kasi pagka dito pa lang sa lieutenant mo, kapitan mo, ay hindi na maganda yung reputation. It will carry. That's why I was referring to the badge. OTAS 00542 and the rest of the badge that they are wearing. Kakaiba yun. Sila lang ang meron nun dahil yun ay distinct na para sa kanila. And they will carry it until the retirement.
Chief, anong hamon niyo po sa kanila sa kabila